Hey everybody, it's Lily, and today in this video I'm super excited to open this Wacom Cintiq 16. This is the first screen tablet I've ever purchased, and I'm super excited, so I thought I would unbox it and give you my first impressions and things like that. So yeah, let's take a look in here. Oh, that's such a big box. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, so this is the inside. Here's the power cord. Ooh. Bet this is the actual tablet. More cords! So, I'm assuming these are cords to plug into your monitor or your computer. Here's the pen. It's super lightweight. It has this button on the end, it has a couple buttons here. And this doesn't take any batteries, which is super cool. And this is power cord or something. And I don't know how to do things. Instructions, so I'll have to look at this while I'm plugging it into my laptop. I didn't buy this stand because it's like 80 bucks. That's a lot of money, so maybe I'll buy that in the future. It has like these arms that go out that you can prop it up. That'll make drawing a little bit easier. So this pen holder actually has some nibs in there too for the end of the drawing stylus, so that's super cool. This has a lot of different instructions and stuff. I'm gonna have to read this carefully. I mean, it's just pictures, so I have to just look at it, I guess. That's pretty neat. It's just like a dual monitor, basically. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, so after some finagling, I finally got it working. And I haven't drawn anything yet, so I'm gonna do some drawing and then I will get back to you. And drawing I did, so I've done about probably 15 hours of drawing with this tablet. I think one of the things I like about traditional drawing is that it's a very tactile experience. You can actually see the tool you're using like mark the paper and you can feel it, feel the pressure you're putting on it. You can see just like the minute differences using an actual drawing tool creates. And so in the past, using just a normal tablet with no screen on it, I kind of lost some of that tactility. I just was not the biggest fan of digital drawing. And I have to say that this tablet's really changed my idea of digital drawing now. The Cintiq, I feel like, obviously it has more sophisticated pen pressure sensitivity, and having the back of the pen to use as an eraser is kind of amazing. It makes it just that much more similar to actually drawing with a pen and paper. I think that being able to see accurately where the pen marks on the digital surface is amazing, because having to use a tablet with no screen on it, you have to look at the monitor of the computer, and eventually you kind of just get this idea of, you know, where your hand is relation to the computer. I would say it's similar to probably any sort of pointing with a device like a Wiimote, a computer mouse, you know, playing video games, anything like that, hand-eye coordination. It's very similar to that, but with an actual screen and actually seeing where your pen is going to mark kind of makes it so much easier, and I feel like I can express my style of drawing easier through this medium because of that. I have a screen protector, not on my tablet currently. It is in the mail, and it is supposed to emulate the feeling of paper more, so I feel like I'm going to enjoy that quite a bit, just because I love doing traditional medium so much. The size of the tablet is perfect for me. I don't need anything larger. It's honestly the perfect size for me. I do think that the stand would be very, very helpful, and I think I am going to be purchasing that because I did find myself hunching over this tablet a little bit because it doesn't come, the angle isn't so high off of the table. So one difference between this model of the Cintiq I got than the fancier model is that it doesn't have programmable buttons on the side of it. Personally, I don't think it's too much of a problem because I just could reach over to my laptop and press the hotkeys for Photoshop easily that way, so I didn't have an issue at all with that. The eraser on the back of the pen is simply amazing. Erasing in Photoshop, such a breeze, because I don't have to select the eraser tool. I literally can just flip my pen around and erase. That is, like, I didn't think I would love that feature so much, but I really do. Yeah, so this tablet acts as a dual monitor, so that's really helpful if you're going to be doing any sort of reference, if you're going to be looking at any sort of references, you can pull it up on your laptop and draw on your Cintiq, or if you're going to be doing some live streaming, you can look at the live stream on your tablet. You can look at the live stream on your computer and then still draw on your tablet. So that's really convenient. Oh, what else about it? The setup should have been simple enough. For some reason, I kind of struggled with it. All you do is just go on the website and follow the instructions on the website. So yeah, look at the website before you do anything else. Download the software first. That was my problem. I hadn't downloaded the software because I'm so used to software being on discs, and you just go to the website and download it from there. You know, back in my day of tablets, you were given a disc and you had to install it off of the disc on your computer, and they only gave you so many installs. What else about this tablet? I am a big fan of drawing sketches in my sketchbook and then taking a picture or scanning it in and then drawing on top of that digitally. I feel like that is a really good way to go because then I don't have to, carry around my heavy laptop if I want to draw a picture. I can still do it in my sketchbook, and I can get, that sketch done in the physical realm and then transport it over to digital, and I feel like that's just very convenient, a good way to draw that way. I'm going to be releasing a video next week comparing traditional and digital mediums, and I drew fan art of a game called Earthbound on my live stream. If you haven't checked my live stream out yet, it's Lily Does Art on Twitch. Definitely check that out. But anyway, I painted it physically on the stream, and then me and a couple streamers were talking about how it would be interesting to do it digitally, and so then I redrew it digitally to see the difference, and I think it's kind of outstanding. My digital piece looks much more similar to the sketch I did in my sketchbook because I was able to take a picture and draw on top of it than it does in the painting. The painting looks very, very different. It's really cute for totally different reasons, charming in its own way. I think it's totally interesting to compare these two, and when I have that video out, I would totally recommend checking it out because it's so interesting. I feel like I was able to get the essence of my sketch better in digital form. Also, you don't have to wait for paint to dry. That's really cool about digital art. Yeah, so I'm probably going to be using this tablet to do more kind of digital drawing. Of course, I'm still gonna do some traditional medium because traditional mediums are awesome and I love doing traditional stuff still. Yeah, so I hope you have enjoyed this drawing. This is my character. I don't think I've given her a name yet. Anyway, I'm doing some concept art, a little turnaround of her, and yeah, here is me drawing her and doing a little bit of coloring. Anyway, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!